what's interesting, or I find interesting about these micro trends, is they follow 5 distinct phases, which is 1, ground zero. This is the first poster. Oftentimes this person puts a piece of content up with no intention of it going viral. They don't know. They post something seemingly random and it resonates with us. This takes us to stage 2, which is the rise. This is when early adopters or the network effect kicks in. People see the content, they think it is cool or redeeming, they want to participate, they then remix that content, make it their own, they participate in the trend, and it starts to catch on. These people could be celebrities, they could be mid-level influencers, whatever it may be, but the trend starts to catch fire. Then we get to stage 3, which is peak saturation. This is when everybody is participating in the trend. This is our top of our curve. This is where brands are participating, your grandma's participating, you name it. Then we get to 4. This is the decline, or what we will call the cringe phase of a trend. This is when brands are left doing the trend, or maybe some of your extended and elder family, they're just finding out about these trends a little bit later in the game. And then number 5, complete obscurity. This is when trends become internet relics, things of the past, things you mention almost ironically to other people who are in the know, so to speak, on social media. Now, what's wild about these phases is those phases used to take a couple months to go through. If we think about things like an ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, to now it's a matter of days before something goes from ground zero to being completely forgotten about. It's days and weeks now where it used to be months. All in all, what does this mean for businesses who want to participate in trends? 95% of the time, it's a losing game is what it means. And for several reasons. I think the first and biggest thing I see where businesses struggle with trends is time. Time to get things produced and out the door and have buy-in. If you're going to participate in trends, make them your own. You have a 24 to 48 hour window to produce the content, get it shipped. 2, legalities. Look, a lot of trends use a lot of copywritten material, publicity rights of other people. It can get dicey legally, so a lot of times it's just best to avoid. And then 3, brand recall. See, consumers in your audience are more likely to remember the trend itself than the businesses who participated in those trends. So are you adding to the noise or are you standing out from it with your content?